Hello everyone, my contribution is about blind spot convolutional neural networks and their application to the unsupervised image denoising. So how does it work? In the supervised case, we would give the network a pixel and its neighborhood, and we would train it against the ground truth. In the unsupervised case, as we don't have the ground truths, we train it against the noisy pixel directly. But in order to avoid trivial solutions, we have to mask out the predicted pixel on the input. The question is, how do we create an efficient convolutional neural network that has a blind spot at the center of its receptive field? The current state-of-the-art uses so-called shifted convolutions that allow the receptive field to grow in one direction only. We find this quite impractical, as each of the directions has to be processed separately, and the results then joined at the end using several 1x1 convolutions. Therefore, we propose a novel architecture that processes the image in a single pass and yet have the blind spot at its core. If you want to know more about our architecture or about image denoising itself, please join me in my virtual room. Thank you for your attention.